Going on, guys? How we doing out there? Pandora, the postcard diva here. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. All right, guys, we are back. I told you I'd come back once I received my welcome kit, and I want to show you what's inside for American Bill money. All right, welcome kit. I rejoined it after being gone for 8 years. All right, and we're back in it. But anyway, the welcome kit has arrived. All right, so if you're here for the first time, make sure you go ahead and check out my projects to see what I've got going on. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, peruse around, and we've added American Bill money on this page now, on the Coffee and Coins page. All you have to do is click this button, click here to join. My ID is 8209, or you can go straight to www.abm8209.com. All right, so the kit is here. I'm going to show you that, but just want to go over this really quick. Again, we can't make any income claims or guarantees. We don't know what you're going to make, if you're going to make anything. All right? Because people quit so soon before they get results, right? Now, let's be clear. I am still in my other programs. Nothing has changed. This is an additional income stream. So now we got 2 residual programs, all right? We got HBA online, and I got postcards for that personally. But this is an offline one, right? You can market it online, but they've got postcards and everything that you can do offline where you don't even have to touch social media if you don't want to. They've been around for 23 years, since 2003. All right, this is my second time joining them. All right, and I know they're solid. That's why, if you notice, I didn't join a new program. Nothing new, nothing new, shiny, whatever. I knew this was solid. I was looking for another residual program, and this has been here for 23 years. So I'm like, yes, and it's offline. So anybody can do this. Again, it takes consistency, all right, like anything else. But this is rejection free. I love that about it, because all you got to do is mail your postcards, or you can even post on ads, and I'll be talking to you guys about that as well. But we're here. You go to www.abm8209.com. You're going to come to this page, put in your first name, put your best email, guys, put your phone number in here. All right, test the texting. They've got this testing thing. I'm a texting platform follow-up thing they got going on. It does work, because I didn't realize I was doing that. I actually called the number, and now I'm getting text messages, which is good. I wanted to see how the program works. So they got texting that will follow up with all your leads. You're not having to talk to anybody. If you notice, on everything, doesn't have your your number or anything. It's just got your ID, because the company is going to close all the sales for us. Make sure you come here, you fill this out, and put in 8209. Okay, click here. It's going to bring you over here so you can watch this video. All right, this is a new video that they have, a simple proven way to earn extra income. Watch this little video, read over everything. All the good details are here. We actually did why I joined HBA. Why I joined ABM, all these acronyms, 3 letters, the other day. So go watch that as well. But this is a good, solid program that you can get started in. You can market offline. They got so many ways. And I'm going to show you in the welcome kit all the stuff that they got that we can select from, as you can see on the screen here. Postcards, post-it notes, flyers, drop cards, card magnets, yard signs, sharing online if you want to do that too. I'm doing that. And other ways, okay? And it's $50 a month, okay? But guess what? They've changed it now. You get 100% fast start. So when that person pays the $50 to sign up with you, right? The person that refers you, that 50 goes straight to that person. The company's not making anything. Okay, so it's 100%. All right, so $50 a month and $50 for all your new signups. And then 3 levels is $10 a month. You're going to earn on the back end residual. As long as those folks stay, you earn $10 a month. okay, on each one of those levels. Pretty cool, because it used to be when I was in it $125 a month, and the affiliates earned 75 of that 125. Okay, the way they have it now, the company's not making anything up front. They're gonna make their money off the marketing materials, the postcards, all the marketing stuff. You know, they got customized websites if you want that, all that stuff. But if you look, they're not making anything up front. Okay, so they've changed that around, which is pretty cool. $50, I like that. That's not bad. You get 50 leads a month. You get unlimited use of the follow-up services, unlimited use of the capture page, which is what I just showed you, this page right here. Okay, and they're gonna follow up. I'm in that email series, so it does work. When you put your information in, the company's gonna send you emails, which is good to follow up. All right. Then they've got an 800 number recorded overview, which is that number I gave to you. I'll be giving it to you on the packet when I do the welcome kit. I'll show you the 800 number, but that explains everything. So when you're not having to explain anything. And then I just explained you're going to get 100% fast start, $50 commissions on everybody you refer directly. $10 a month residual commissions on every one on 3 levels. And you get a free personalized flyer PDF. All right. So go check this thing out again, www.abm8209.com. All right. It's going to bring you right here. Check it out. All right. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to go. Let me show you what's in the welcome kit. I look forward to you getting started with me, guys. My information is in the description. If you have any questions about this program, I'd love to have you as a part of the tribe, because this that time too. It's mailing season. That's every year this time coming up. Mailing season, 4th quarter. So it is perfect timing to get started before the new year, so that you'll have a program that you can start earning residual even before 2027 comes into play. All right. So check out this welcome kit, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Let's go. All right, guys, so I want to show you what's in my kit. All right, so let's take a look. American Bill Money has sent me my welcome kit. You know, I signed up, as I mentioned earlier, right, on Sunday, and got started, and now I got my welcome kit. So let's go over. You see it right here, ABM. I've covered my information, ABM. All right, so let's take a look. So when you sign up, you get your email, remember? And then you're going to get this in the mail, priority mail. If I can get it to open, that would be great. Wow, they got this thing. All right, so let's take a look. Let's see what's in here. All right. All right, so we open this up nicely. Oh, a nice, fully color, nice gloss. Okay, it's a folder. See that? Front and back, nice finish. All right, let me make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, cool, got that out the way. All right, so let's open this up, this kit. Move this out the way. I've got my leads. I'm not going to show you guys that. Remember, it comes with 50 leads, remember? Okay, I'm covering my face. Yeah, I'm not going to show you. It's got names and addresses. These are on pill and stick labels. You can see it through there, right? Okay. So I got my pill and stick leads. Okay. 50 of those. I'm going to take those out so I can face those down. But check this out. Nice, right? Look inside. Everything is nice. Got the number on it, everything. Okay. So let's see what the first thing is. Here's the envelope. Open this now. It contains your souvenir dollar bill, free post-it notes, postcard samples, flyer samples, drop card samples, refrigerator magnet. Okay. Cool, right? Awesome. All right. Before we get into that, though, real quick, remember, go to www.abm 8209.com, okay? Because that's my number. Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm covering this up because we don't want everybody's info on here. All right, so see, there's my number, 8209. Okay? All right, that makes it official, and this is what you'll get to with your ID number on it, okay? All right, I'm gonna put that to the side too. All righty, and so let's open this packet, this envelope with this samples. I like that they give you samples so you can kind of get an idea of, well, which cards do you want to order, which marketing materials, right? Okay, so let's open this. Whoa. Uh-oh, I dropped something. I think my my magnet. Okay, hold on. Okay. You get this magnet you can put on the refrigerator. Cool. Okay, that's in there too. Okay, here's the Post-it notes. I'm gonna run it down. Here's the Post-it notes. I like these. I'll be ordering these. And then you have to write in your ID number. These little sticky Post-it notes. That's included. Okay, and then this is cool. It's a lot of stuff in here. And then here is the flyer that they have. Whoa, look what they sent me. Woohoo, $1. Woohoo. Pandora, stick with ABM, Paul. My first dollar. Thank you, Paul. All right, and here's some flyers that they've got. These are nice if you want to mail these out. People see these, they're gonna go, woo, this is nice. Okay. All right, this is a whole flyer. So if you want to mail flyers, they got the flyers too. Okay. Full color glosses. You can see this quality that they have with this. This is pretty neat. I like this. Okay, got that. All right, and again, these different little drop cards. Check out the perfect residual income system. You can order these and you have your ID on them. Pretty nice, right? Okay, I like these personally. Secure a second income, not a second job. This is the one I'm probably gonna get. Then you flip it on the back, check that out. Nice, right? Call the 800 number, they'll be calling that. And you'll have your ID number on that. This is the one I'm probably gonna order. Okay, now let's get to the postcards. Here's the different postcards they have. I like this one. You have residual bills, right? You need residual income. All of them look like they're gonna be the same on the back, okay? Pretty cool. Okay, and here's another one, okay? Nice. W income, like that one. Again, I like this one because people understand this. I don't know, it's something about a second job, okay? There's something about that, okay? Again, they all look the same on the back, all right? But I really like this one. All right, and then we got the earn 1,500 profit every month. That's nice too, okay? These are samples, so that way you can get an idea, you get to feel them. You're like, oh, I like the quality. I like that. And here's the other one, okay? So all these are different postcards. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different postcards you can select from. Okay, you decide, right? I like that. All right, so this is all your marketing materials. Okay, all right, let's see what else is in here. Because you placed your order over the phone or mail, we request you submit the closed customer order form that looks like this. Okay, there's an order form in here. They're saying we're gonna have to fill out. We get a self-addressed envelope to mail the form back in so we can get our order placed of whatever marketing material we want to order. I'll be doing that. Okay, this right here. Yeah, here's the order form. And he says it on here. I'm not gonna show the form because it's got something on here, but please enter all the requested information, read and sign. Okay, send it to me. It says, thanks, Paul. because you got to fill this out. This is your order form with your information on it for your monthly membership, okay? So you got to mail that back in, which I'll be doing because I need to also place my order for my cards, right? All right, and then here's some other marketing material, guys. They got a lot of stuff in here. Welcome to the team, success tips, marketing tips, okay? Money saving coupons, which I'm going to use this. You get a 50% off your first order. It expires in 15 days. Okay, so they're giving you some coupons to get started with different, you know, the marketing material. Or if you want to upgrade, they've got another level called the Heavy Hitters Club. But this is the coupon, so they're giving you a coupon, 50% off, okay? For those who want it, here it is. It's the Heavy Hitters. This is more details. This is what they're talking about right here, which is great, where you can earn $1,000 commissions, first level, 500 on the second and third level, okay? So they've got an upgrade in here if you want to step up to the next level, okay? All right, ABM's Heavy Hitter Club, same information here. Heavy Hitters Club earning $1,000 commissions. All right, so info on that, which is awesome. Oh, and here's another postcard. This is the big one. I think the 6x9. My goodness, this huge. You hear that? That's good quality. So if you want the big jumbo 6x9s, they can't miss that in the mailbox. Okay, they have these too. Looks like this. All right, and then the marketing material, okay, is here. The marketing material order form, okay, which I'll have to fill out here because I'm going to place an order. I'm going to place an order for my postcards, okay? That's in here. Then they got door hangers, guys. They got all type of marketing material. This is the door hanger, all right? Cool, right? You can hit up some apartment complexes or you can hit up some subdivisions. Boom, okay? They got yard signs, car magnets. All that's on this flyer, so you can do that as well. So there's so many ways where you don't have to confront people or try to flag people down and bug and bother people, right? You can put this marketing material out, and the people are not even going to be calling you guys. They're going to be calling the 800 number. My goodness, okay? Here's the other one. Let's see. If there is a secret to ABM, okay. So here is some more advertising to find new referrals. They give you some tips. Okay, all this is in this little pack, this little folder. The ABM way. Okay, understanding the role, the mission, etc. More encouraging words and tips. Okay, good stuff. So this is the welcome kit. All right, I wanted you to see that. Let me do this real quick. I want you to see this right here. Put these in here. Look right here again. Nice. This is very nice, very, very nice. Nicely done. Okay, check this out right here. I'm just going to show you this. Look at this inside. Is this nice? Okay, so this is what it looks like. Your folder has everything you needed that's included. Okay, that is the welcome kit. All right, so if you're interested in getting started, make sure you go to www.abm8209.com. My ID is 8209, okay? Get started, guys. This is going to be awesome. Again, I've been in this before, so I know what it does. But you have to put the work in. No different than online marketing. Still got to put the work in. But with this, you don't have to talk to folks. I'm looking for that card that I said I was interested in. This one. Secure a second income, not a second job. And remember, folks are going to call this number. Call this number, 800-632-0739. And put in 8209. Check it out. Awesome. All right. See you on the inside. Have a blessed day.